Let's start with the present simple tense. We use it for routines, habits, and facts. Example: I drink coffee every morning. We use the present simple for daily habits, routines, and general truths. For example, the sun rises in the east. It's also used for schedules, facts, and personal feelings. Now let's look at the present continuous tense. We use it for actions happening right now. The formula is subject plus am, is, or are, plus verb ing. Example: I am studying English now. We use the present continuous for actions happening now and temporary situations. It's also used for future plans and changing situations. Example: we are meeting our friends tonight. Now let's learn the present perfect tense. We use it for experiences, unfinished actions, and present results. The formula is subject plus have or has, plus past participle. Example: he has visited Paris twice. We use the present perfect for experiences and actions connected to the present. It's also used for recent actions in unfinished situations. Example: she has lived here for 5 years. Now let's look at the present perfect continuous tense. We use it for actions that started in the past and are still continuing now. The formula is subject plus have or has been, plus verb ing. Example: she has been studying for hours. We use the present perfect continuous for ongoing actions and repeated activities over time. It also shows visible results happening now. Example: he is tired because he has been running. Now it's your turn. Choose the correct answer and test your grammar skills. Final challenge: choose the correct tense and complete the sentences.